Hi, my name is Werner Keil. Welcome to the Java EE8 High Performance course by Pact Publishing. I'm a cloud architect, Java EE and microservice expert. I served in every Java EE expert group since Java EE6. I was also the longest serving individual member of the JCP Executive Committee for 9 years in a row, and one of the very few small business members in that executive committee. I won JCP awards in several categories. I'm a regular conference speaker, and in 2017 the Java 2 Days conference awarded me as one of the only 12 speakers of all time, which is somewhat similar to the Java 1 Rockstar Awards, except there are fewer of them. The course will start in section 1 with Java Concurrency, how to apply concurrency, multi-threading, and what new mechanisms have been introduced with Java SE8. In the second section, we are going to take a look at Java EE concurrency, how this was done in the past, and what new features were introduced in recent Java EE versions, starting Java EE7, and what else have been added with Java EE8. Section 3 takes a look at caching mechanisms, especially the JCache standard. Section 4 highlights high-performance Java frameworks like Javalution or Eclipse collections and how to use them for performance gains when dealing with large amounts of data. In section 5, we are going to take a look at high-performance Java EE mechanisms and how certain parts of the Java EE standard, like CDI, differ in their various implementations when it comes to performance. Section 6 takes a look at common performance problems and how to troubleshoot them. For example, stuck threads, deadlocks, and other performance issues that may occur quite regularly in a Java EE environment. In section 7, we're going to take a look at Jvm Monitoring Solutions. Then in section 8, we take a look at general purpose performance monitoring tools like Drop Wizard Metric, for example, Performance Copilot, or features under Eclipse Microprofile. And in the last and final section, we will take a look at common stress and load testing tools, for example, JMeter. The prerequisites for the course to run the live demos and examples are Java SE8 or higher, but ideally Java 8 because most of the Java EE8 application servers work better with Java SE8, although they should also work with 9 or beyond. Almost every live demo is based on Maven, so it will take all the dependencies while you run it from the internet. So of course you need an internet connection. Maven 3 is sufficient, but there is at least one course and section where 3.5 is required because of some of the dependencies that only work with Maven 3.5. So ideally you use Maven 3.5, but for most of the other sections, 3 is also enough. Some basic Java EE knowledge is good, but not a mandatory prerequisite. And although you can run and edit all your examples just in the console using Maven, it cannot hurt to use them in a Java IDE, for example, Eclipse, NetBeans, or IntelliJ. Although this is optional, you may use any text editor or Java code editor, but a fully featured IDE will of course improve the experience with those examples. The goals of the course are optimizing your Java enterprise application by introducing multi-threading and asynchronous behavior, how to use some of the new features that were introduced both with Java SE8, like lambdas and parallel threads, or on top of that, introduced further with Java EE8, for example, CDI, asynchronous processing, or improved concurrency in Java EE8. How to add caching to your application by using the JCache standard and some of the many implementations that are available. To benefit from high performance frameworks for both Java SE and Java EE, solve common performance issues and pitfalls and how to avoid them in the future. To proactively monitor the performance and state of your system, both during development but also in a production environment. To analyze, visualize, and further process the most important performance metrics of your applications, also with different sources, and to conduct load tests and stress tests to find possible bottlenecks in your application. So let's get started.